Bonjour everybody, how are you doing today? I tip my cap to you because today is a great day. It is March 7th, 2012. Why is this a good day? I don't know. I don't feel like this incorporates enough American into it though. Got like 15 different cultures that are being covered right now. Hang on, let me get the American part of costumes here. There we see baseball, yes, there. Now you can see as I now you can tell that I am clearly, yes, I am one of you. I am not, I am immigrant. I am new to culture. This is so stupid. Okay. I have nothing to talk about today, so this is what you guys get. It's like 11 o'clock at night, and I was just like, boy, nothing has happened today at all. Watched American Idol. Aside from that, nothing. I hope that you guys can actually hear me on here. By the way, this mask that I'm wearing probably hasn't been washed for 6, 7 years. It hasn't been worn in 6 or 7 years, so yeah, I can't see very well, but arrivederci, everybody. I'm Lucas Leone, and this video actually happened. See everybody.